Welcome back to The Explainer, everyone. I am so thrilled to have you here today. If you're the kind of person who is hyper-focused on optimizing your health and you really love understanding the actual why behind the latest trends, well, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into a really fascinating growing trend, specifically among adults over 50. People are suddenly adding a simple cup of warm clove tea to their nightly routines. And, it sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? But as we're gonna see, there is some very real hard science backing up this comforting evening ritual. But look, we could acknowledge the trend all we want, but the natural question we have to ask right off the bat is why? Why drink clove tea right before bed? Out of all the exotic teas, herbal blends, and expensive supplements out there, why is this super common kitchen spice suddenly gaining so much nighttime traction?
Well, to answer that, we first need to strip away all that internet hype. Let's be very clear right up front. This isn't some overnight miracle cure. What we're actually looking at is a science-backed habit. Clove tea is not magic, but modern research shows that this humble little spice is absolutely packed with natural compounds that can support your health in several really effective ways. We aren't looking at a quick fix here. We're looking straight at chemistry and biology. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to start with systemic health, then move into digestion and blood sugar, followed by nighttime and oral health. After that, we'll cover preparation and safety, and finally wrap it all up with the holistic approach. We've got a lot of fascinating ground to cover, so let's get into it.
First step, Section 1, Systemic Health and Cellular Wear and Tear.
So as we age, our bodies face a completely normal amount of wear and tear, right? It just happens. It leads to a bit more fatigue, maybe slower recovery times. At a cellular level, this is actually known as oxidative stress. Basically, it's cellular wear and tear caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. Our bodies are constantly battling these little guys. But, and here's the cool part, cloves are naturally rich in antioxidants, especially a really powerful compound called eugenol. Antioxidants are essentially the body's built-in defense mechanism. They help protect our healthy cells from this exact type of oxidative stress. Now, obviously, no tea can magically stop aging, but adding antioxidant-rich spices like cloves into the mix, that is a fantastic way to support healthy aging from the inside out. And how does all that microscopic cellular wear and tear translate to how we actually feel on a day-to-day basis? Well, waking up with stiff joints is something many of us can absolutely relate to. Or maybe it's just feeling unusually sore after completely normal daily activities, like gardening or lugging groceries inside. A major underlying culprit for all of this is ongoing low-grade inflammation. This is where laboratory research gives us some really incredible insight. The compounds found in cloves may actually help regulate those inflammatory pathways inside the body. So the crucial takeaway here is that while drinking a cup of clove tea isn't going to completely erase your joint pain overnight, it's not a painkiller, it actively supports your body's normal inflammatory response. When you pair that with regular exercise and good sleep, it can genuinely help you feel much more comfortable in your own body over time.
Moving on to Section 2, Digestion and Blood Sugar, focusing on our metabolic health.
How our body actually processes the food we eat in the evening has a massive impact on our sleep. Have you ever finished dinner and just felt completely bloated for hours afterward? It is incredibly frustrating. Gas, heaviness, that general stomach discomfort, they aren't just annoying, they can severely disrupt your ability to fall asleep and actually stay asleep. We really want to transition from that heavy, uncomfortable stomach feeling to nice, relaxed digestive muscles. And traditionally, cloves have been used for literally centuries to support digestion. The natural compounds inside cloves encourage healthy digestion and actively help reduce excess gas. Even better, some research suggests they actually help relax the digestive muscles themselves. It just makes your stomach feel so much more settled after those evening meals, which sets you up perfectly for a much better night's sleep. And hey, while we're digesting that meal, there is another hidden metric at play here: your blood sugar. It naturally rises after meals, right? But for some adults over 50, these spikes can start to become a bit larger and a little harder to manage. Early research is pointing to a really incredible benefit here, though. Certain compounds in cloves may actually help improve how the body responds to insulin. In fact, some studies have even reported improvements in fasting blood sugar levels for folks consuming clove-derived compounds. I love how this is framed. Think of it as one healthy habit that may support an overall diabetes-friendly lifestyle. But I really, really want to emphasize this. Clove tea does not treat diabetes, period. It's a supportive measure right alongside eating well and moving your body. And it is absolutely imperative that you never stop taking any prescribed medications without speaking directly to your healthcare provider first. All right, Section 3, Nighttime and Oral Health. Let's look at those overnight benefits. Have you ever wondered what's actually happening in our bodies after we close our eyes? Well, bacteria are naturally multiplying inside our mouths, which leads to that lovely morning breath we all know too well. Enter eugenol again. As we mentioned, it's the primary active compound in cloves, but it is actually famous in the dentistry world for its natural antimicrobial properties. Research shows that eugenol can literally help slow the multiplication of certain bacteria overnight. So while it for sure doesn't replace brushing and flossing, sipping some clove tea is a pretty brilliant complement to a healthy oral hygiene routine. Beyond the physical benefits, though, we have to talk about the mental transition into sleep, just unwinding and relaxing. Creating a calming evening ritual essentially tells your brain and your body, hey, the day is done, it's time to shut down and rest. The simple act of sipping a warm herbal beverage, breathing in that deeply soothing, earthy aroma of cloves, it is incredibly grounding. While hard evidence on cloves directly changing your sleep architecture is still limited, this soothing evening ritual, especially if you pair it with dimming the lights and putting the screens away, is just a powerhouse way to unwind. And this brilliantly illustrates everything we've just covered, all in one place. We've got our 6 science-backed benefits mapped out by bodily system and their specific action. You've got fighting free radicals at a cellular level with antioxidants, regulating joint inflammation, relaxing gut muscles for better digestion, improving insulin response for metabolic health, slowing mouth bacteria, and finally, providing that soothing aroma for your brain to just relax. Seriously, that is an impressive resume for one simple kitchen spice.
Let's move into Section 4, Preparation and Safety. How to actually make it.
So now that we understand the science, how do we actually brew this stuff? It's wonderfully simple. You just bring about 300 milliliters of water to a gentle boil. Drop in 5 to 6 whole cloves. Make sure they're whole cloves, not the powdered stuff, and let them simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, just turn off the heat, cover the pot or your mug, and let it steep for another 5 minutes. You'll want to drink this warm, roughly 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. You can absolutely add a slice of lemon or a dash of cinnamon for flavor, but try to avoid loading it up with sugar, right? Because that kind of defeats some of the metabolic health benefits we just talked about. Now, I do want to take a serious tone for just a second regarding safety, because even completely natural remedies aren't right for everyone. You absolutely must consult your doctor before making clove tea a regular habit if you take blood thinning medications, if you have stomach ulcers or severe acid reflux, if you have any liver disease, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or obviously if you are allergic to cloves. And if you just naturally have a sensitive stomach, start with a very small amount to see how you feel. Remember, moderation is key here. More is not always better. Finally, Section 5, the holistic approach and building habits. As we wrap up this explainer, we really need to frame this the right way. Good sleep begins before your head touches the pillow. Clove tea is a fantastic, science-backed, supporting player in the quest to age well, but it is not a standalone fix for a bad lifestyle. The absolute greatest benefits of any natural compound only truly emerge when they're paired with a nutritious diet, regular physical activity, and proper medical care. It's really all about building a whole ecosystem of healthy habits. Which leaves us with one final provocative thought. Have you ever actually tried clove tea before bed? If you learned something new today, I'd love for you to explore this topic further. Keep learning, keep asking the good questions, and keep leveraging the science to optimize your health. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I can't wait to dive into another fascinating topic with you next time.